Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to save game and quit in Forza Horizon 6. If you're trying to figure out how saving works, then yes, the game does have autosave enabled by default. Your progress is constantly being saved in the background and there's actually no option to disable autosave, especially when you are connected online. Basically, whenever you complete something, change something or make progress in the game, it usually saves automatically right away. Now if you are playing offline or maybe you are worried about losing progress after leaving the game, then there are a couple of things you can do just to make sure everything gets saved properly before quitting. One simple thing you can do is manually exit the game instead of just force closing it or shutting down your PC or console suddenly. Sometimes that helps avoid missing progress issues. Another good method before leaving the game is to return back to your home or main free roam area first and then quit the game normally from there. And if you still want extra confirmation that the game saves your progress, then you can also open the settings menu, go into something like difficulty settings, make a very small adjustment and then save the changes. Doing that usually forces the game to create a fresh save as well. So overall, autosave is already active in Forza Horizon 6, but manually exiting the game, returning home first or changing a small setting before quitting can help make sure your latest progress gets saved properly. Hope this clears things up. If it did, like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.